Understanding Laugh Politely in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of English communication, the concept of laughing politely. This phrase might sound simple, but it carries a lot of social nuances. Understanding it can really help you in both casual and formal English interactions. Laughing politely is more about social interaction than humor. It involves giving a small, restrained laugh in response to something that may not be very funny, but requires an acknowledgement. It's a way to show you're engaged in a conversation without being overly enthusiastic or disrespectful. This kind of laughter is not loud or genuine, but rather a courteous gesture. You might find yourself needing to laugh politely in various situations. For instance, during a business meeting, if someone makes a light joke, a polite laugh shows you're attentive. Or, when meeting new people, it can help in creating a friendly atmosphere without overstepping boundaries. It's about finding a balance between being amiable and respectful. Body language plays a crucial role in laughing politely. A slight smile, nodding, and making eye contact can accompany the laugh, enhancing the sincerity of your response. Remember, the goal is to be polite and show that you're engaged, not to fake amusement. Different cultures have various norms regarding laughter in social settings. In some cultures, a loud laugh might be seen as genuine, while in others, it might be considered inappropriate. When you laugh politely, it's essential to be aware of these cultural differences, especially in international settings. Laughing politely is a subtle yet important part of English communication, especially in formal or unfamiliar settings. It helps in maintaining a friendly demeanor while respecting social boundaries. Remember, it's not just about the laughter itself, but the intention and manner behind it. I hope this video helps you navigate social interactions more confidently. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.